Now it is time to make a test run on the see how the jig works. Turns out it's actually what it's supposed to be. Of course, this is where you see the problem of the round cuts. I made it, the depth is 3/4 at the highest point, so you're not quite fully engaging, and by that's by the amount there. Well, considering the other jump to conclusions decisions I had made, wasn't sure if I wanted to make it cut deeper or not. I'm going to think about that now. This is actually good enough for what I'm doing with these bee boxes, but I just have to think about it. One thing I did notice though, is that definitely here I had a little wobble because of those cuts. I'm going to need to shave that down so that it sits nice and square. We don't have any wobble there. So I will correct that. So let's see. I know I don't want to hand square those off with a chisel because there's a whole bunch of them. I suppose right now, well actually the way you set it, that depth of cut is however you have the table saw set, so there's nothing else that has to be done here, so I can go ahead and bump the blade up a little bit and give myself some clear, get it to where it actually does fit flush. We'll still have the little gap there, but these are going to be having screws or nails run into, and they'll be glued on the sides and not on the bottom. Like I said, but that's the problem with using one of these wobble blades. So